Hi viewers, welcome to Learn with me from home. This is Dr. Manpreet Kaur and today we are going to deal with antonyms. We all know what antonyms are, but I am going to be slightly elaborative on this topic today. But before that, please subscribe, like and share my channel. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that have opposite or contrasting meanings. We all have learnt about antonyms and we also call them opposites. These play an important role in building up our vocabulary, and I always encourage everyone to be good with words. So the origin of word antonym came from two Greek words, anti and onym. Anti means opposite and onym means name. Types of antonyms. Antonyms are of three types: graded antonyms, complementary antonyms, and relational antonyms. Graded antonyms. These type of antonyms deal with levels of comparison. For example, hard is to easy, wise is to foolish, fat is to slim, early is to late, and fast is to slow. We see both the words. Let's take the example of wise and foolish. Both of these words deal with levels of comparison. We can give an example like that man is very wise and this man is very foolish. So we are dealing with two levels of comparison, wise and foolish. Similarly, we can also compare hard and easy. The question paper was hard or the question paper was easy. Complementary antonyms. These antonyms have no connection to each other and are diametrically opposite. For example, boy is to girl, off is to on, true is to false, push is to pull, pass is to fail. So we see both the words have no connection to each other and are diametrically opposite. Like boy and girl are totally different. It is either pass or it is fail. It is either true or it is false. Relational antonyms. These antonyms should have relational words which must exist to be antonyms of each other. For example, above is to below, husband is to wife, buy is to sell, borrow is to lend, servant is to master. Now here we see the words husband and wife. These are relational words and they have to exist with each other to be antonyms of one another. The opposite of husband can only be wife and the opposite of servant can only be master. Antonyms are created by adding prefixes to. By adding the prefix in, decent is to indecent, excusable is to inexcusable, tolerant is to intolerant. By adding the prefix mis, lead is to mislead, trust is to mistrust, behave is to misbehave. By adding the prefix dis, appear is to disappear, honest is to dishonest, agree is to disagree. By adding the prefix un, able is to unable, fortunate is to unfortunate, likely is to unlikely. By adding the prefix non, entity, non-entity, specific is to non-specific, citizen is to non-citizen, payment, non-payment, conformist is to non-conformist. 50 important antonyms to remember. Children, we know that there are many antonyms, but I'm going to discuss some important 50 antonyms which you must remember. Cold is to hot, dry is to wet, love opposite hate or hatred, question is to answer, asleep is to awake, front is to back, joy is to sorrow or grief, begin is to end or cease, find is to lose, friend is to enemy or foe. Dead is to alive, busy is to idle, sweet is to sour or bitter, bright is to dull, rise is to fall or sink, true is to false, quick is to slow, start is to finish, ugly is to beautiful, near is to far or distant. Absent is to present, poor is to rich, right is to wrong, win is to lose, peace is to war, cause is to fine, rough is to smooth, top is to bottom, buy is to sell, life is to death. Proud is to humble, easy is to difficult or hard, cheap is to dear or expensive, inside is to outside, give opposite take, hit opposite miss, wide is to narrow, loud opposite soft, clean is to dirty, weep is to laugh. Hide is to show, singular is to plural, foreign is to native, smile is to frown, multiply is to divide, wax is to wane, prosperity is to adversity, victory is to defeat, superior is to inferior, level is to steep. These were just 50 antonyms. You can learn more every day to improve your vocabulary and speaking skills. With this, we come down to the end of this video. For any doubts, queries or suggestions, please mail me at learnwithme@gmail.com. And keep looking for my next videos. Till that time, please take care of yourself, stay safe, and goodbye.